A 2025 clinical report reveals a breakthrough that's changing how we understand memory loss, a brain fog solution that rebuilds your mental power lines, and it's backed by Science 2025. For decades, memory decline was blamed on aging or stress, but new research shows the real cause may be a breakdown in your brain's energy grid, what scientists now call mental power lines. These microscopic pathways deliver energy to the parts of your brain responsible for memory, focus, and clarity. When these power lines weaken, your brain can't record or recall memories properly. That's when brain fog sets in. You forget names, lose focus, and feel mentally drained, even after a full night's sleep. The solution? A citicoline memory booster that restores your brain's energy flow. Citicoline is a natural compound that helps your brain produce acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that powers your mental circuits. But not all citicoline is created equal. The 2025 clinical report reveals that a premium form of citicoline, known as cognizin, has up to 90% bioavailability. That means it crosses the blood-brain barrier and gets to work fast. In clinical studies, cognizin improved memory test scores, reduced brain fog, and enhanced focus in adults over 60. This brain fog solution is backed by Science 2025 and supported by research from Harvard, MIT, and Johns Hopkins. It's not about adding more brain cells, it's about restoring the energy that activates them. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or struggled to recall a name mid-conversation, this may be the answer. The citicoline memory booster helps rebuild your mental power lines, so your brain can fire on all cylinders again. Watch until the end to discover how this 2025 clinical report reveals the truth about memory loss and how science is helping people reclaim their clarity, confidence, and connection.